Buick 2020 model script. A promotional advertisement. Opening scene. A sleek 2020 Buick SUV cruises down a scenic highway, the sun setting in the background. Narrator, voiceover, elegance, power, innovation. The 2020 Buick lineup is where luxury meets performance, designed for those who demand more from their drive. Cut to interior shots, showing the driver gripping the leather-wrapped steering wheel, the digital dashboard lighting up. Narrator, step inside, and you're greeted with premium craftsmanship. From soft-touch materials to a whisper-quiet cabin, every detail is designed to elevate your driving experience. Cut to a close-up of the infotainment system, a driver effortlessly using the touch screen to access navigation and music. Narrator, seamlessly stay connected with Buick's advanced infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive touchscreen display. Whether it's work or play, you're always in control. Scene transitions to the car in motion, effortlessly navigating winding roads. Narrator, under the hood, the 2020 Buick doesn't just look good, it performs. With available turbocharged engines, smooth handling, and intelligent all-wheel drive, every journey is a statement of power and precision. Cut to a family safely buckling in, smiling as they set off on a road trip. Narrator, safety comes standard with Buick, equipped with advanced driver assistance technologies like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. You drive with confidence knowing you and your loved ones are protected. Final scene, the Buick arrives at a luxurious destination, headlights shining bright as the driver steps out. Narrator, style, comfort, performance. The 2020 Buick redefines what it means to drive with class. Discover yours today. Buick logo appears on screen with the tagline, "Experience the new standard of luxury." And scene.